Yo guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm showing to you how to convert this photo to this design for the tattoo. Let's learn with the application white phone. Find this application. It's easy for you to access. You can convert the photo to a stencil. Let's see. This one, this is the design I need to make the stencil. First I cut. After here, you can adjust the contrast of the photo. For me, this one is easy, and you can change the how many inch if you want. For me, this design is easy because I need to make white printer tattoo. And plus, guys, don't forget like, subscribe, because I need to make this design in the fake skin. So you can learn from me how to shade, how to gray wash, how to mix the color, everything in this design. I have workshop in the live or video. Don't forget like, subscribe, we can grow up together.